Alright traders, good afternoon. It is Sunday, the 26th of April 2020. Alright, I said that I did say I was going to make another video. And I touched upon the Euro, Pound, and the Aussie Dollar. Aussie Dollar most definitely looks like it's probably going to be a buy trade into next week. I say probably because what I'd like to see is, let's just get some, let's do some shapes just because, that's fun. What about this, like lines? Can I do lines? But like small lines? Like this, like that. Comes up. My laptop. I do need enough. I do it. And then a bounce. Like this. I will show you. Lines. True. Like that. That's what I'd like to see. Not necessarily come up that far, like really not that far to be fair, but maybe just above the high, back down on like Monday, like on the 4-hour time frame, and then I'd really look to get into that. It might not necessarily do it. It might just float around, and then if there's bullish price action on Tuesday later in the day, like after London Open, I'll probably buy that. Yeah, that's not really going to be even. Although I have been sort of contemplating shorting, and I've talked about this, but I would definitely say it's yeah, I see this going a little bit further, especially with the situation. It's sort of looking like it's risk on right now. I don't know how long that's going to last. The stop loss will probably be around here, honestly. So the low of that candle, around 63.37. So I'll just put a thing in here. This is, what you want to use the weekend for, really. I mean, obviously relaxing and having some fun. Avid Call of Duty mobile player. So if anyone watches the channel and you're into Call of Duty mobile, please, let me know. Username, I'll add you. So that's my Aussie dollar trade idea. Euro US dollar, I'll bring that up. I think I missed the USD Swiss as well. Alright, so that is how it looks on the daily. That's actually quite bullish. So it's sold off. I really like to see the wick is good because really what the wick is doing is targeting stops. So those are individuals who know the stops are underneath here and it's wicked them out, liquidated, unfortunately. And then people usually reverse their trades immediately and think, oh, it's going to go short now. And then takes them out again. So this is when it could move on us. So we'll see. I'm just going to see this coffee does. It is a gorgeous day in Perth as well. It's like 26 degrees. It's sunny. Really pleasant. Really, really pleasant. But I'm on the charts, taking care of business, guys. So pretty much the Euro US dollar is a sort of similar trade idea than the Aussie. US dollar flows are sort of easing, and the US index looked like it was, well, it looked like it was weakening somewhat. So we'll see what it wants to do on Monday. Maybe it won't. Maybe we'll see the US dollar just continue to strengthen. And then the Euro and the Aussie will probably not be potential plays, to be fair. We could see, it could be a sell trade down to the lows here, down to, the low was 106.35, so that could be a potential plan there. But right now it's looking long. Aussie's looking long. I did discuss the Aussie yesterday. I want to watch what the equity markets do as well. That's a good barometer for what the Aussie will do. I'm looking for the USD CAD. No, not the USD CAD, sorry, the USD Swiss. There it is. Alright. So I've got this one up here, and it's sort of, so what I'd say about this, we've had a test, it's failed to move lower, up higher again, then lower. So it's like a double take at it. So that's not really, that could be a fake out potentially, but it could move higher. So this could be a potential sell trade here, guys. Again, I want to wait and see what happens, during the Monday Asian session. Very rarely will I take a trade. I did take the pound yen and New Zealand yen, which was, subpar trades, and I just, these things happen, and That's why I make these videos, to hold myself accountable. And there wasn't really enough in my favor. It was like a 50-50 play, and it was more like, you shouldn't really be taking that. So I like to think my trading account is, very sizable. It's not, but you want to sort of trade like that just to help preserve capital. So obviously, if you had a $10 million account, you'd be trading differently if you had a $1,000 account. So I'm just trying to put my mind into that approach with the larger account, and so I make more sensible decisions. Anyway, guys, I think that's the update. So USD Swiss potential short, Euro US dollar potential long, Aussie potential long. That's the video, guys. Thanks for watching, and hope everyone has a lovely rest of the weekend. Bye for now.